systematic arrangement of all known elements, increasing order of atomic number, so repetition of property and regular interval table 118. Symbolic form of element John Jacob Berzelius. Modern atomic symbol first two letter, first letter and next prominent letter. Some derived from Latin iron Fe ferrum, copper Cu, silver Ag argentinum, gold Arum, sodium Na natrium, potassium K calcium, mercury Hg lead Pb TnSn. Modern atomic symbol are based on method proposed by Berzelius, CDPU, डेबेनियर 1829 में लॉ ऑफ ट्राइएड्स. ग्रुप ऑफ थ्री सिमिलर एलिमेंट, एटॉमिक मास ऑफ मिडल एलिमेंट, एवरेज ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. कैल्शियम ब्रोमियम आयोडीन. न्यूलैंड्स लॉ ऑफ एक्टिव 1865 में. एलिमेंट अरेंज इन इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास, एवरी एलिमेंट was similar to first. Noble gas were not known. Newlands was the first to form periodicity. Mendeleev 1869 में periodic law arranged in increasing atomic mass, element with similar properties repeat at regular interval basis. Atomic mass number of element 63. Predicted new element इक्का बोरॉन, इक्का एल्यूमिनियम, इक्का सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम को left blank space for them. Mosley modern periodic table 1913 में. Properties of element are periodic function of their atomic number. Periodic table 118 element, 7 period 18 group. Which element was called Ika aluminium by Mendeleev? Gallium. Ika boron scandium. Structure of modern periodic table. Period horizontal 7 period, same period have same number of cell. Group vertical 18 group. Element in same group, same electronic configuration and same valency. Block S block 1 2 group 1 2. P block 13 से 18 group. D group 3 से 12 transition element. F block lanthanide 4F 14 element, actinide 5F 14 element, inner transition. Group 1 alkali लीन आकार अब सस्फर्ड. ग्रुप 2 अल्कलाइन बेमग कासर बरा. ग्रुप 15 पिनिक्टोजेन. ग्रुप 16 कैलोजेन. 17 हॉलोजेन. 18 जीरो ग्रुप. नोबेल गैस वैलेंसी 0, हीनी एडकर जेरन. मैजिक नंबर 2 8 8 18 18 32 मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन पर सेल. लाइटेस्ट एलिमेंट हाइड्रोजन. Heaviest naturally occurring uranium. Heaviest metal by atomic mass osmium 76. Densest metal osmium. More reactive metal cesium. Most reactive non-metal fluorine. Most electronegative element fluorine. Least electronegative element most electropositive cesium. Most metallic element cesium. Most non-metallic element fluorine. Largest atom cesium. Smallest atom helium. Inert gas group 18. Periodic trend across period down group. Atomic size decrease increase. Metallic character decrease increase. Ionization energy increase decrease. Electronegativity increase or down to group decrease. Electron affinity increase, down to group decrease. Ionization energy, amount of energy required by an isolated gaseous atom to lose an electron in its ground state. Endothermic process मतलब गैसेस और आइसोलेटेड एटम है ना, उससे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करने में जितना एनर्जी लगा उसको अमाउंट आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी बोलते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिलीज व्हेन एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज एडेड टू एन आइसोलेटेड गैसियस एटम. मतलब आइसोलेटेड में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड किए तो जितना लगेगा उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी बोलते हैं. एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस है. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, पावर टू अट्रैक्ट shared pair of electron in covalent bond. Higher electronegativity, more polar bond. Isoelectronic species having same number of electron size in inversely proportional to atomic number. Al2 less than Mg. Fibers and fabrics. Races. Fiber, a hair-like strand structure for which all fabrics are made. Basic unit of fabrics. Fiber, spinning, twisting, yarn, thread. Give fabric, gives cloth. Natural subtype or example. Natural plant fiber, vegetable origin, cotton, jute, sisal, kapok, hemp, mohair, bamboo, flax, linen. Animal origin, wool, silk, hemp. Natural mineral, asbestos. Man-made synthetic, artificial, semi-synthesis, rayon, viscous, artificial silk. Man-made synthetic, artificial, full synthetic, nylon, polyester, terylene, acrylic, lycra. On the basis of length, staple, short fiber, cotton, jute, wool. Filament, long fiber, silk, nylon, rayon, polyester, cotton. Fruit of cotton plant. Soil grow best in black soil. Moisture retention, large crack, regular soil में. गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, AP, MP, पंजाब. Cotton fiber separated from seed by combining them, gaining worms को. Textile industry making gunpowder. Seed of cotton give edible oil and biodiesel. Jute, golden fiber, cotton from stem plant. हाई टेम्परेचर में, प्लेंटी ऑफ रेनफॉल में. वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार, असम, यूपी. गम्मी मैटर प्रेजेंट इन स्टेम, डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय बैक्टीरिया, कॉल्ड रेटिंग बोलते हैं, वाटर सबमर्जन. फ्लैक्स स्टेम, आउटर पार्ट ऑफ स्टेम, यूज टू मेक लिनन एंड सीक्रेट पेपर. स्काउचिंग, ब्रोकन वुडन पीसेज आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम फाइबर, स्काउचिंग बोलते हैं. सीड्स, प्रेस्ड ऑब्टेन लिनसीड ऑयल, यूज इन पेंट. Wool, animal fiber, fleece of domesticated sheep, soft hair near skin. Yak, camel, angora goat. बकरवाल, जम्मू कश्मीर में. रामपुर, फाइन क्वालिटी. रामपुर, बुशहर, यूपी, हिमाचल, ब्राउन वूल, ब्लैंकेट मिलता है. नाली, राजस्थान, पंजाब, हरियाणा, मेकिंग कारपेट. लोही, राजस्थान, गुड क्वालिटी वुलन फैब्रिक्स. मरवाड़ी, गुजरात, कोर्स वूल. पटनवाड़ी, गुजरात, गुड क्वालिटी होज, प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ वूल. शेयरिंग, रिमूवल ऑफ थिन फ्लीस, ट्रिमिंग. गिव, स्काउरिंग, रिमूवल ऑफ oily substance. Gives, sorting, gives, carding. Gives, gilling and aligning fiber. Silk, animal fiber, sericulture. Silkworm, silk is composed of protein, fibronin, sericin. Silk production began in China most 6000 years ago. Production China, largest producer. India, second largest producer. Bhagalpur, silk city. Malwari, Karnataka, AP, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, JNK. तसार, टर्मिनलिया, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, महाराष्ट्र. ओक, ईरी, कोस्टर, बिहार में मिलता. मुग्गा, सोम, असम. सिल्क बर्न, बर्निंग, हेयर स्मेल. वूल बर्न, बर्निंग. सिल्क एंड वूल आर self extinguishing artificial cloth. Nylon, melt. Synthetic fiber, polymer and plastic. Polymer, compound of high molecular mass formed in combination of large number of small molecule. Monomer, small molecule which constitute the repeating unit in polymer. Polymerization, process of which monomer are transferred in polymer. Rayon, viscous, artificial silk. Semi-synthetic fiber, modified natural fiber, first man-made semi-synthetic fiber. Shining, luster. Cellulose, sodium hydroxide, give alkali cellulose. Orange color, suspension, fine bead. First fully synthetic fiber made, coal, water, air. Name after New York, London. Nylon. Nylon 66, monomer, adipic acid, hexamethylene diamine. Uses rope, parachute, toothbrush, stockings, bullet proof jacket, Kevlar type of nylon. First synthetic fiber, nylon. Fiber used to make Kevlar, lignin, origin of flax plant, core from coconut plant, mohair from angora goat, down, feather of duck and geese. Important polymer monomer use: ethylene glycol or trimethylic, polyethylene terephthalate, Tecron, microwave cooking carbonate, beverage bottle, food container, ethylene, ethene, HDP, high density polyethylene packaging, strong corrosive, household, industrial, chemical, bleaches, acid, liquid detergent, vinyl chloride, polyvinyl chloride, sanitary fitting, water pipe, floor tile, helmet, ethylene, low density polythene, polybag, grocery bag, package of frozen food, bread, propylene or propene, polypropylene, ketchup bottle, yogurt container, medicine bottle, automobile battery casing, styrene, polystyrene, thermocol, form of polystyrene, disposal cup, packaging for fragile item, tetrafluoroethane, Teflon, chemical carrying pipe, non-sticking pan and material, isoprene, natural rubber or polyisoprene, ball, shoes, seat, waterproof material for vulcanized rubber or conveyor belt in coal mine, chloroprene, neoprene, insulting material for cables, house, flexible pipe for oil and petrol, ethene, polyethylene or polyethylene, bag, container, toy, propene, polypropene, fiber for carpet, handbag, fishing net, rope, polyester or special fiber, polyester, polymer of ester, terrywool, terylene plus wool, terracotta, terylene plus cotton, acrylic, closely resemble wool, also known as Orlan or acrylic, corrosil, trade name of high polymer of vinyl chloride, thermoplastic or thermosetting plastic, thermoplastic soften 70 से 90 पे, does not thermosetting does not soften easily, comparatively big, stronger, can be reused after melting, cannot be remelted or for use, HDP, PVC, polythene, PET, bakelite, melamine, formaldehyde, linear plastic, 3D network cross-linked, melamine, thermosetting plastic, used for unbreakable dinnerware, decorative object, used for making floor tiles, bakelite, thermosetting plastic, obtained by heating phenol and formaldehyde, used for electrical switch and plug insulator, Teflon, polytetrafluoroethylene monomer F2C double bond CF2, used for non-sticky pan, 5R policy, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, use, which is example of melamine, used for floor tiles, thermosetting plastic. Process of adding sulfur to heat rubber is known vulcanization. Pollution. Pollution, undesirable change in physical, chemical, biological characteristic of air, water and soil which adversely affect living organism and property. Pollutant, a substance present in the environment in harmful concentration. Contaminated, a substance introduced into environment become a pollutant beyond tolerance limit. Pollution load, total amount of pollutant released into environment. Environment defined by Thomas Kell. Ecology, Ernest Haeckel. Ecosystem, Arthur Tansley. Gaseous pollutant, CO, CO2, SOx, NOx, CFC, Cl2. Particulate matter, dust, smoke, mist, fume, aerosol. Particle size 0.1 to 10 micron. PM 2.5, PM 10. Air pollution, clean air composition, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, CO2, variable gas. Primary pollutant emitted directly from identifiable source, vehicle, industry, power plant, example, CO, NOx or smoke. Secondary pollutant formed in atmosphere by chemical reaction between primary pollutants, smoke plus fog, acid rain, tropospheric ozone, VOC, volatile organic matter. Smokes contain ethylene and unburnt hydrocarbon. Pneumoconiosis, inhalation of a small particle matter over long period of time cause fibrosis of lungs lining. Major air pollutant and their effect. CO, carbon monoxide in complete combustion. Reduce oxygen carrying capacity of blood. CO affinity with Hb is about 300 times more than O2. Form carboxyhemoglobin. Sulfur dioxide power plant. Burning of fossil fuel. Respiratory disorder. Acid rain. SO2 H2O gives H2SO4 acid rain. Nitrogen oxide. Vehicle exhaust, industrial processes, smog, respiratory problem. NO2H2O gives HNO3 acid rain. CFC chlorofluorocarbon. Refrigerator, fridge, AC, aerosol spray, ozone layer depletion. Carbon dioxide, CO2, burning fossil fuel, deforestation, greenhouse effect. Global warming, global neutral net zero 2017 India's target. Which gas considered atmospheric pollutant? SO2. Main component of greenhouse, CO2, CH4, NO2O, CFC, water vapor. Acid rain, precipitation with pH less than 5.6. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Due to atmospheric reactant of SO2 or NOx with water vapor. Type, wet deposition, rain, snow, fog, dry deposition, acidic gas and particle. Reaction, SO2 H2O gives H2SO4, NO2 H2O gives HNO3, CO2 H2O H2CO3. Soil infertility, acidification of water bodies, damage to forest, corrosion of marble monument, acidic solution, use lime. CO quick lime or COH2 slack lime. Case study. Taj Tarpezium zone. Taj Mahal affected by acid rain, marble. Agra releases SO2 NOx. Supreme Court ordered cleaner fuel like CNG, marble. Metamorphic rock, sedimentary from limestone. Greenhouse effect and global warming. Warming of Earth's surface due to traveling infrared radiation by greenhouse gas. CO2, CH4N2O, CFC, water vapor. Greenhouse effect predicted by 4 year. Term coined by Arrhenius. Effect, global warming lead to melting of glacier, sea level rise, extreme weather event and climate change. Which gas contribute to global warming through greenhouse effect? More than one. CH4N, CO2 N2O. Ozone layer depletion. Stratosphere 10 से 15 किलोमीटर above. Ozone is partially formed from oxygen. Ozone layer, ozonosphere 25 से 30. Concentration 10 ppm. Protect Earth from UV ray. Ozone cycle, O2O3. UV light gives O2 plus ozone cycle. Depletion agent, NO, nitric oxide, CFC, freon, destroy ozone layer. Effect of depletion, skin cancer, cataracts, damage to crop and marine ecosystem. Montreal Protocol, international effort to phase out ozone depleting substance. Water pollution, definition of contamination of water bodies by physical, chemical, biological pollutant, making water unfit for human use, harmful for aquatic life. Hydrology, state of water, low tick, running water, land tick, standing water. Type of water, normal water H2O, heavy water D2O, deuterium. Used as moderate in NPP, nuclear power plant, artificial and cloud seeding. Discharge of sewage, industrial effluent, agriculture, runoff, oil spill. Physical pollutant, hot water, oil spill, plastic. Reduce oxygen solubility, harm aquatic life. Chemical, mercury, lead, pesticide, fertilizer. Biomagnification, biological, bacteria, virus, parasite, waterborne disease. Sewage, domestic, hospital, oxygen depleting epidemics. Mercury, minimata, industrial waste, least industrial discharge, brain and nervous. cadmium industrial fertilizer, kidney failure, thyroid disease, arsenic fertilizer or groundwater, black food disease, DDT, pesticide biomagnification, oil tanker peel, kill fish or block sunlight, eutrophication, biomagnification, potable water and purification. Eutrophication, enrichment of water body with inorganic nutrient like nitrate, phosphate, leading to excessive growth of algae called algal bloom. Algae is the largest supplier of oxygen to earth, 2/3 of total. Process agriculture, particle give fertilizer and sewage agriculture runoff give non-biodegradable nitrate and phosphate give algae with growth, give algal bloom, waterborne green. Algal bloom increase biological oxygen demand and gives deficiency of dissolved oxygen, give death of fish. BOD, biological oxygen, high BOD, high pollution, low BOD, little pollution. Pollution indicator, organism like insensitive to SO pollution, to be fake worm or Cronus larva. Magnification, increase in concentration of non-biodegradable pollutant like DDT at successive trophic level of the food chain. DDT, mercury, lead, arsenic, pesticide, potable water, water that fit for drinking and normal, free from harmful substance, germ and excess salt. Should be colorless, odorless, free from suspended impurities and harmful microorganisms. Per capita required about 1 liter per capita per day. India 4-member family except 35 liter ruler. 1000 total per family of 4. 250 liter per person per day. City supply. Purification involves sedimentation, filtration, aeration, chlorination. Household purification, boiling, filtration, chlorination, UV treatment, RO. Finally chemistry खत्म.